Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening from wherever you're watching, and welcome back to another episode of our construction journey right here in Nyeri County. This is a 5-bedroom mansionette, and today I'm going to take you through the story of how this project began, the challenges we faced, and the progress we've made so far. If you're passionate about construction, architecture, or just love seeing dream homes come to life, stick around. This one is for you. Now, this project was initially scheduled to begin about 2 or 3 months ago. However, the land posed a unique challenge. It was very slopey. That meant we had to sit down with our consultants to explore different alternatives. We considered various engineering options, but eventually we decided to go with the conventional method of construction. This meant a lot of cutting and leveling, reducing the slope to a level where we could establish a strong, uniform foundation. It wasn't just a simple decision. We had our engineer, architect, project manager, and a very seasoned quantity surveyor working hand in hand with us, making sure every step was structurally sound. Once we had agreed on the road levels and how the house would sit on the land, the real work began. Excavation, a lot of it. We started with strip footings, poured the concrete, and then built the foundation walling, which in some sections went up to 8 courses high because of the slope. After that, we cast the foundation slab about 150 millimeters thick, giving us a solid base for the rest of the structure. Of course, one of the critical steps was introducing a damp-proof course, or the DPC. This bituminous layer prevents moisture from seeping upward through the walls, protecting the structure from long-term damage. These are the kind of details that ensure a house stands strong for decades. From there, we moved into the superstructure, and one of the unique features of this particular house is the yellow stone finish. This is no ordinary stonework. It's bush hammered, zero jointed, and very precise. Each stone is beveled at the back in a V shape. That way, the mortar sits behind, giving the appearance of a seamless mortar-free wall. It's not the cheapest option, but it delivers an absolutely stunning finish, and it was the client's preference, so we delivered. This stonework will become one of the standout elements of this mansionette, giving it both character and elegance. Here at the entry porch, the architect designed a single-level entry to ensure a smooth transition into the home. We also have elegant pillars to highlight the entrance. To my right is a staircase, 22 steps, each with a 150 millimeter riser. This is because the ceiling height here is slightly higher, given the stepped levels of the land. At the top, there will be a spacious landing around 1.7 meters, making the staircase feel grand and comfortable. On the ground floor, we have 2 guest bedrooms, each with large windows for natural light and ensuite bathrooms. There is also a powder room for visitors. Moving forward, you step into the hallway, which opens up to the lounge and dining area. And wait until you see the 3-level chimney we are constructing here. It's going to be both functional and a statement piece. On this side, we have the kitchen. It's designed with a spacious island in the middle, full cabinetry along the walls, and a separate pantry for storage. This is going to be the heart of the home, and I can already imagine the transformation once we finish it. Combined with a Yellowstone exterior, this home will be both modern and classic, a true dream home. We still have a lot of work ahead, but so far we've managed to overcome the challenges of the land, deliver a solid foundation, and bring this project to life step by step. Stay tuned, because in the next episode we'll be showing you even more progress as this mansionette takes shape. Thank you for watching and following our journey here in Nyeri County. If you find this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more construction updates. At Architect Contractors, we don't just build houses, we craft dream homes. Until next time, let's keep building together.